Here we're looking at the column supported in my vise. You see the lower aluminum piece. I wish I had a name for it. I'm showing the bottom of it. You'll notice that little protrusion. That protrusion goes right into that slot in the top of the metal column. So that was just a little idea of the orientation of it. You'll see the column supported in the vise, and now we're using the metal plate that has the threaded holes in which the screws go through to attach the earlier shown aluminum piece firmly to the top of the column. Takes a little bit of finagling, but the beauty of it is there's only one way it's going to go, and it's pretty obvious how it goes in there. And based on how that metal piece fits in the top of the tube, that will then allow you to properly locate with the aforementioned protrusion into the slot of the column. Also, you'll verify that by the fact that the screw holes will match up to this plate. And they've purposely made them non-symmetrical, so it's pretty much impossible to put them in the wrong direction. So there, I'm putting it back into the proper place. So now I've got my 1/4" 12-point socket. Going to use this to put the 4 screws into place and tighten them down. So you'll want to use a little bit of Loctite on that, because this is something that you absolutely don't want coming loose, because believe me, there is a lot of stuff that goes on top of this that you'd hate to have to undo to tighten these screws again. So there, we're tightening it down, and that first screw didn't go deep enough. So I cinched it down a little bit with a rubber hammer and got all 4 of the bolts into place, and here I'm tightening them down. And I'm verifying that the key remove lever is in the proper space still and working, and you'll note that those tabs keep that ring into place.